Welcome to our video guide on managing your email communication using the Emails History Report module. This tool provides a comprehensive overview of all emails sent from your site, ensuring you have valuable insights into your communication history. In this guide, we'll talk about customization options and using the module to improve your email management. Once the Emails History Report module has been purchased from the App Shop and installed in your admin area, move to the Modules and Extensions tabs. Locate the module via a quick search and click Edit to customize its settings. Enable or disable the module, set the maximum log storage period, and click Update to save your preferences. Now move to the Reports and Emails History tabs. Explore email history information presented in a table format, including key columns like date added, name, email, subject, content, status, and action. Independently sort information in table columns using the up and down triangle icons. Utilize the quick search option for easier access. If necessary, delete all records with the cleanup button. For efficient handling of a large number of records, adjust the display of the record number per page by selecting a preferable number from the drop-down list. These were the simple steps to manage the Emails History Report module. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more useful content.